Hello mga buddies! So once again, this is Teacher Chrissy and welcome to my channel!
Kaya sa pagkakataon na ito, humihingi po kami ng kapatawaran. Tunay nga o Diyos na Ikaw ay mabuti sa aming mga buhay sapagkat binigyan niyo kami ng pagkakataon upang makapagtipon sa lugar na ito at makapag-celebrate, Panginoon, ng aming pong Technolympics, O God. Dalangin namin na sa oras na ito, O Diyos, patuloy na samahan niyo po kami mula sa simula hanggang matapos ang aming gawain, O Diyos. Lord, amin pong itinataas sa iyo ang tagapamuno, Panginoon, ng aming pong division mula po, Panginoon, sa amin pong SDS kay Sir Pozon. Dalangin namin, O Diyos, na kayo yung patuloy na sumama sa Kanya, mag-ingat, magbigay, Panginoon, ng maayos na kalusugan. At sa lahat, Panginoon, ng Kanya pong mga balak, Panginoon, Lord, samahan niyo po siya upang ito po ay magkaroon ng katuparan. Maging sa amin po mga ASDS, mga Chief, Panginoon, mga EPS, PSDSS, O God, Lord, dalangin namin na kayo po yung pong buklod sa bawat isa sa amin upang nang sa ganun ay magampanan namin ang lahat ng aming mga layunin at mga tungkulin bilang mga lingkod mo, O Diyos. Dalangin namin sa oras na ito, O Lord, sa mga namumuno, O Diyos, especially dito po sa lugar kung saan gaganapin ang aming Technolympics sa San Leonardo. Dalangin namin, O Diyos, para po sa aming PSDS at sa aming pong punong bayan, sa minamahal naming Mayor. Kayo rin, Panginoon, yun siyang patuloy na magbigay sa kanila ng karunungan sa lahat ng mga bagay na kanilang ginagawa. Bigyan niyo nawa ng katagumpayan ang lahat ng kanila pong balakin.
You may all take a seat. Thank you very much. And this time, alam ko pong excited na excited. Sabi nga nila kanina, may halong kaba, may halong saya. Once again, we would like to welcome you all, especially
our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Danilo M. Acoba, to our Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Dr. Michelle A. Mejica, to the Chief of the Curriculum Implementation Division, Dr. J. M. Manuel Garcia, to the Chief of the School Governance and Operation, Sir Luis Calizon, to the Education Program Supervisor of ICT, Dr. Laber A. Ladignon, to the Education Program Supervisor of EPP, Dr. Rogelio L. Domingo Jr., to the PSDS of San Leonardo District, Ma'am Marisa G. Gamboa, to our Mayor, the Action Man, Froilan A. Naganyo, to be represented by our very own maalaga pong Dr. Maricel Natividad Naganyo, and to the other PSDSS, EPSS, to the school principals, fellow educators, coaches, students, and pupils, good day. We are hoping that the utmost welcome of San Leonardo District shall be felt throughout this day. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Pagbati po ng matatag na edukasyon.
Thank you, Ma'am Michelle. Before I go to my opening remarks, let me first greet everyone. who are here in the presidential table, to our beloved and kind-hearted Municipal Mayor, Ella Naganyo, who will be represented by his beloved wife, ang maalagang doktora namin, Doktora Maricel Natividad Naganyo. Palakpakan natin. Ever supportive yan. Every time na nandito tayo sa NAUST gym or Naganyo gym ay nandito rin ang aming mga pinuno ng municipality. To our beloved also and respected Schools Division Superintendent Sir Ronaldo A. Pauzon, to the EPSS in charge of TechBook, si Sir Laverne Ladignon and Sir Rhodes. Thank you so much for choosing us as the venue of this Technolympics. To my co-PSDSS, Ma'am Nins Antonino, Sir Leo Jao, Sir Mau Angeles, to all the Board of Judges, principals, coaches, school heads, parents, participants, especially nga pala sa aking mga kasamahan dito sa San Leonardo District, ang aking mga masisipag na mga school heads, together with the teachers, mga TWGs na nandito rin, nakaagapay sa inyong, sa ating activity ngayon. Thank you so much for your ever supporting effort dito sa ating activity. So, wala na siguro akong nakalimutan. At nga pala sa ating venue ngayon, I would like to announce to you that we have food preparation, no, para sa mga visitors, mga judges natin at sa mga TWGs na kaloob ng ating Municipal Mayor Ella Naganyo. Kung kaya't lubos ang aking pasasalamat sa ating butihing mayor sa pagpagamit sa atin sa gym na ito every time we needed it most. Kaya ako ay nagagalak dahil ang San Leonardo District Municipality of San Leonardo is very cooperative in times like this. So, on behalf of 516 teaching and non-teaching personnel and 18 school heads of San Leonardo District, welcome to the Division Festival of Talents Technolympics. We are thrilled to see so many talented young minds gathered here today to showcase their incredible skills and passion for technology. This event is a testament to the innovative spirit and dedication of our participants and coaches. We are incredibly proud to be hosting such a remarkable competition. Once again, good luck to all the participants who will represent our division in the forthcoming regional Festival of Talents soon. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Morning! Maraming salamat at magandang umaga po sa lahat ng naririto. Good morning! Kamusta po kayo? Una po ay bumabati syempre sa napakasipag at talagang paborito po ng district ng San Leonardo. Si Dr. Ronaldo Pauzon. Mula po sa amin, sa district ng San Leonardo, kasama si Ma'am Marisa Gamboa, ang aming mga head faculty, teachers, at principals. At ang lahat po ng mamamayan ng San Leonardo ay masaya at aus-pusong kayo ay tinatanggap dito po sa bayan ng San Leonardo, dito sa aming bulwagan para sa gandang gawain na ito, no? Natutuwa tayo na maging host po ng Division of Nueva Ecija Festival of Talent. So, literally talagang full of talents tayo na nandito ngayon, no? Sama ko na rin kaya kaming mga nandito, no? Sa inyong lahat, ito po yung napakagandang opportunity para maipakita nga ng ating mga mag-aaral yung kanilang mga talents and skills. Kasi natutuwa tayo dahil yung DepEd is
it's evolving, ano, sabi nga natin, it's keeping up with the times kasi unlike nung araw na talagang alam natin pag eskwelahan, pure academics lang, no? Pero in the real world, alam natin na hindi naman talagang libro at pag-aaral lamang ang itinuturo natin sa ating mga kabataan, kundi dapat yung kabuuan ng kanilang personalidad at sa ganitong pamamaraan makikita natin yung kanilang mga iba pang skills na pwedeng i-develop at baka pala tulad meron tayong mga iba't ibang tracks na ngayon sa high school. So parang pagsapagkita na rin din natin doon pag tuloy kung saan mas merong talent yung ating, kumbaga makikita na nila kung saan track sila papunta sa pamamagitan nito. Naalala ko kasi noon, alam ko, tinanong ko kanina, elementary and high school students yung mga nandito at naaalala ko na napakatagal ng panahon. Nung elementary kami, ang alam ko lang ginagawa, yung mga doily at saka yung mga paper mache, at sa eskwelahan lang yon. So, parati nun, tuwi-tuwi na parang quiz-bee, spelling contest, mga ganyan lang yung sinasalihan sa elementary. So, pagdating nung high school, meron na din na mga pare-pareho pa din, yung nandyan pa rin towards academics and everything. Pero in the school, kung saan ako nag-aral sa 1 hour liwag, meron din kami naman ng mga cooking. Pero baking, dahil dun sa home economics, merong mga, sabi ko nga, flower arrangement. Kaya dun ko natutunan yung mga ikebana flower arrangement. Hanggang sa ngayon, ay nai-apply ko sa buhay ko. Kaya natutuwa tayo na ganito na nga ang tinatahak ng ating kagawalan ng edukasyon. Kaya kami naman dito po sa San Leonardo sa pamumuno ni Mayor Ella Laganyo ay talagang kasama ng DepEd at tumitindig para sa edukasyon at sa kapakanan in general ng ating mga kabataan. In fact, nais ko lang i-share sa inyo na kahapon ay tumanggap ng award ang Municipality of San Leonardo bilang top rank doon sa buong Region 3 sa Seal of Child-Friendly Local Governance. So, katay ng Municipality of Cura bilang #1 sa buong region ang San Leonardo. So, always for the welfare of our children, nandito po ang pamahalaang bayan ng San Leonardo. At sa DepEd, always partner po ang Municipality of San Leonardo. Always welcome here. And for our students, syempre po kasama na din. I'm sure maraming salamat at congratulations din. Alam ko na bukod sa mga coaches, teachers, may mga parents din na sumasama sa ating mga anak. So maraming salamat po sa paggabay sa ating mga anak. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po at good luck and congratulations to everyone na nandito. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you to our MC. Good morning to everybody, especially those who are on stage. Thank you, Ma'am Maris, at binanggit mo na lahat ang mga pangalan nila. That saves me my work to mention them. To all of you, my dear advisors, coach, mentors, teachers, school heads who are here present today, showing your support to your contestants. Indeed, I'm very happy. First, we have this very cozy place where our contest is being held. Alam niyo, during the time that I saw the heart and thought of San Leonardo, I immediately give my assistance to them. Do you know what was the assistance that I gave? I taught here in UST San Leonardo campus, and during that time, this structure was still in progress. Kino-construct pa lang nila noon, and never did I know that we shall be one of the beneficiaries. Thank you, Mayor Elan, Doc Asil, salamat. Because I could no longer count how many times have we been using this facility from San Leonardo na ang laging sagot, yes. They never say no. Palakpakan ko natin ang San Leonardo. You see? It's still very fresh in my mind. Papasok ako dito noon ng 5:30, madadaanan ko ito going to my classroom dahil katabi lang yung classroom ko noon. Hindi pa magamit ito noon dahil construction na. Kaya sabi ko, kaswerte naman sila at merong ganito itong bayan na ito. And ito nga, pati pala tayo beneficiaries. And because I know the heart of San Leonardo, they will never say no to DepEd. And you know, because of us, tayo because of us in the Department of Education, the administration from Mayor Elan, itinatag niya yung San Leonardo, Colegio de San Leonardo. At sino ang mga pupunta doon? Naturally, my dear students, kayo yun. Product of DepEd, you will no longer go to far places, just to in your current education. We have it here in San Leonardo. Dati yung College of Education, meron silang offerings ng education, elementary, high school, criminology, Doc Asel. Tapos, pati nursing yata in progress. And there are a lot of more things to follow just for you, my dear students coming from us. Meron kayong pupuntahan. Kaya, pag hindi kayo makapag-aral, hindi na problema ng gobyerno yun. Problema nyo na yun dahil they are bringing these schools to your doorsteps. In like manner like this contest that we have here, we are training you to learn life skills. I remember it well when I was in grade 5 and grade 6, meron din kaming subject na home economics. Doon ako natutong gumawa ng itlog maalat. Yan. Gumawa ng daing. Gumawa ng tuyo. Gumawa ng preserve na kamatis. Gumawa ng kundol candies. Out of that kundol, maraming kundol sa amin doon. Iba-ibang varieties ng candy ang ginagawa namin. Food technology rin. But it's not as sophisticated as now because today, look at your gadget. Sa amin noon, yung mga kawali namin sa bahay na itim, ng bigat-bigat. Ganon lang, mga sandok na kahoy, nayari sa bao, ganon ang mga gamit namin noon. Yung mga bao na, yun ang mga mangkok namin noon. But now, look at your gamit. They're so far, far, far away from our skills that we have then. So, my dear students, take this opportunity for you to develop your skills. Tomorrow, we will not be here anymore. You should be preparing yourselves through activities like this so that you will take our places. Kayo ang papalit sa amin. Kayo ang tatayo dito sa stage na ito. Gagawin nyo yan. Simply because you have the skills. And I would just like to point this out. Of course, the Department of Education give us a lot of activities to be done. But they don't like it to be done from Monday to Friday. Dapat Sabado at Linggo now para walang disruption of classes. So today is Wednesday, patay ang Sir Paulson. Lagot sa DepEd. Why did you violate the DepEd order of no disruption of classes? Because these students should be in the school, their teachers should be teaching their subject areas. Now that they are here, there are students who do not have their class. Mga ganun ang sasabihin nila. Anyway, this is still part of your learning. Hindi naman tayo nagsasayang ng oras lang because your special skills here needs special attention. And avenues like this is a way in which you will showcase your skills. And congratulations to all of you who are here. You are already an exceptional student by that. Why? Kayo ang nagre-represent ng school niyo. You are not yourselves today. You are your school. So if you do well, it's the school that will be honored. If you do well, it's still the school. But if you don't do well, school pa rin ang makikinabang doon, school pa rin ang mababanggit. Kaya, ulitin ko, it's not about winning today because this is a contest. It's not about losing. It is about the participation wherein you are going to show the character, your potential, and all those things that you learn from your teachers. Yun ang pinaka-importante. At sayang, hindi ko kayo makikita lahat. Because from here, magpapaalam po ako, pupunta naman ako sa NES dahil meron ding similar activities doon. Galing ako sa Santa Rosa kanina dahil venue pa rin natin. Then dito, I heard from Ma'am Maris, meron pa doon sa munisipyo daw na ganito rin. I hope I can drop by para makita din naman sila. Then I'm going to the FSA High School for some other activities. At alam nyo, meron din ongoing doon sa ating sa division office, yung MAPE contest ng sayaw. Nung makita ko, Diyos ko, parang ayaw ko nang umalis. Dahil gusto ko makita yung galing ng mga Novo Ecijanos yung cultural heritage na makikita sa dance, makikita sa artistic presentation nila. Kaso, tali ang kamay ko eh. Gusto ko mag-state manood doon para makita ko yung bawat bayan kung ano yung sayaw meron sila. I cannot do because I need to see you, I need to see those people in Nes, doon din sa munisipyo mamaya. Kaya that's the way how it is. So congratulations, ngayon pa lang, you are already winners in your own right. Ma'am Asel, thank you ha. Pakisabi kay Mayorela, huwag siyang magsawa.
Thank you for watching